Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I am showing you how I made some DIY storage containers. We can customize these boxes according to our needs and sizes by using unused clothes at no extra cost. This is one way of reusing your old favorite clothes. Let's see how I made them. I'm using this cotton box as my organizer, and the closing lid I am putting it inside so that it becomes so strong, and with the help of cello tape I am trying to stick it together, and also I am using some pins to fix the bottom portion of the box so that it stays strong. And this is my old night dress. I am going to use this. I have measured the box and as well as this night dress how much ever I want it, and I am going to cut according to the size of the box, and with the help of glue gun I am sticking the edges. I am morely concentrating on the edges part, and wherever there is a need I am trying to fix it with the pins. So I have taken one black cloth and also I am trying to make one edge out of it. With the help of glue gun I did it. So finally it turned out to be like this. It looks very cute and adorable. We can use it in different ways. We can use it for closet and also for the toys. This is one more box available at my home, and this box also I want to use it as a organizer. So this is my old pillow cover, and since it has some floral design I like it. I don't want to throw it. I am checking the size of the box and as well as the pillow cover. To make this box, I am attaching the cloth with the hot glue gun. So first I am concentrating on the edges of the box. So I am putting some glue with the help of hot glue gun, and I am sticking the old cloth on this, and I am making sure that there is no foldings of the cloth. That is more important. And in the same way I am also concentrating on the edges of the and the bottom portion of the box. I feel like cotton cloth is better to make these boxes. So in this way the box is ready. I have covered the cloth. It is looking very cute. This rose flower is very beautiful, and afterwards inside also I am sticking some glue with the cloth. I have another pillow cover, so I am going to use the same pillow cover so we can have the same two kinds of boxes with the same design. So these are the two boxes, and I even use them for my tops to store them. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more organizing videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.